DMCI Homes Properties by Ralph San Jose. In this episode, I will discuss our latest project in Tuba Benguet, which is the Moncello Crest. So the Moncello Crest is under DMCI Homes Leisure, another condotel by DMCI Homes. So the last video that I did was I went there to check the site in Tuba Benguet. And this time, we already had the materials for presentation. And apologies for the delays. Medyo na-busy lang po tayo this past few weeks. But ito na po, I will present you the project information of the Moncello Crest. So tara, samahan niyo ako. So this is the Moncello Crest project briefing. So let's start off with the Benguet province. So ano bang meron si Benguet? Benguet province is situated in the southern part of the Cordillera region. It has a mountainous terrain of peaks, ridges, and canyons. It is known for its huge production of upland vegetables. Most parts generally features cool climate. So, mismo po ako na ramdaman ko, nung nagpunta ako dun sa site, iba yung lamig doon sa Benguet. Mas malamig yung breeze ng hangin compared sa Baguio City. So for the municipality of Tuba, Tuba is the first Benguet municipality that can be accessed via Marcos Highway. Other municipalities in Benguet and other Baguio areas can be accessed through eastern and western link circumferential roads. No coding and less traffic. Offers cool weather and mountain views, and it has low density population. So para po magka-idea kayo kung ano yung DMCI Homes Leisure Residences. So, ito po yung mga features niya. Resort residential developments, ideal for investors, located in tourist destinations. So, yung first project po namin na under leisure residences is the Solmera Coast, which is located sa San Juan, Batangas. So, more than 1,300 units was sold within 9 months. The logo of Moncello Crest, so it's a coined term derived from Montel, an Italian word which means mountain, and Araceli, a Spanish word meaning altar in the sky. So, the location of the project, the actual address is Sitio Bato via Bonti Way, Barangay Poblacion, Tuba, Benguet. So, accessible po siya via Marcos Highway. Mas malapit siya doon. So, from Manila, the travel time is around 4 to 5 hours. Yan. So, ano ba yung mga key areas na malapit doon? So, of course, Baguio City is 15 minutes drive. So, we have the Rose Farm, the Mandawi Foam, the Bencab Museum, Pinewoods Golf and Country Club, Luding Community Farm, of course, the tourist spots, destinations in Baguio City. Notable areas in our location, we have the Burnham Park, which is 6.2 kilometers away, and the SM City Baguio, which is 6.6 kilometers away. We have the UB Square, Baguio Center Mall, Count John Hay, Baguio City Market, Baguio Lawakan Airport, Good Shepherd Convent. Ano naman yung mga schools na malapit sa ating project? So lahat po to less than 14 kilometers away. The nearest is the UP Baguio, which is 6.1 kilometers away. We have the Philippine Women's University, 7.0 kilometers away. Baguio College of Technology, 7.1 kilometers away. University of Baguio, 7.1 kilometers away. Yan. So we have also the St. Louis University, National Baguio University, Pine City Colleges, and Philippine Military Academy. So for our health and safety, yung mga hospitals na malapit sa ating project, the nearest is the Al Naboy Baguio Gen, which is 5.5 kilometers away. Baguio General Hospital and Medical Center, which is 5.5 kilometers away. We have the Notre Dame de Chartres Hospital, which is 7.1 kilometers away. Sacred Heart Medical Center, which is 7.4 kilometers away. And we also have the police and fire stations. We have the Tuba Fire Station, which is 1.1 kilometers away. Tuba Central Police Station, 1.3 kilometers away. Baguio City Police Office Station 5 and other branches of police station in Baguio City. Sa mga park and tourist attractions naman natin, so we have the Uncle Sam's Agri-Tourism Park, which is 7 kilometers away. We have the Ben Cab Museum, 8 kilometers away. Wright Park, the Mansion, Mirador Heritage and Eco Park, Tamawan Village, Mines View Park, Igoron Stone Kingdom, and the Lion's Head. So for the municipality of Tuba economic status, so sabi dito, Tuba's economy is driven mainly by agriculture, trade, and tourism. So ano ba yung mga attractions na malapit sa ating project? So we have the Ben Cab Museum. We have Hot Spring Resorts, Pan-Ayaman. We also have the Bridal Veil Falls, Aran Cave, Ifugao Wood Carvers Village. And of course, andyan yung eco-agritourism natin. So, eco-agritourism is a form of tourism that involves visitor participating in sustainable farming and learning about local produce. Known to be socially responsible and eco-friendly, the popularity of eco-agritourism continues to grow as people look for new experiences outside of cities. So ito naman po yung mga ating activities when it comes to eco-agritourism, meeting local farmers, tasting and trying fresh foods and produce, farmers market, educational tours, attending local festivals and fairs, agricultural workshops, and actual farming experience. So ito naman po yung mga eco-agritourism natin sa Tuba, Benguet. We have the Sanagi Mushroom Farm, which is 6 minutes away from Moncelo Crest. Mushroom siya by products. We also have the Tadiangan Strawberry Farm, which is 22 minutes away from Moncelo Crest. So located po siya sa malapit sa Ben Cab Museum and can be accessed from Asin Road. Meron din tayong White Roses Farm, which is 6 minutes away from Moncelo Crest. It's about a half hectare of rose farm. And meron din tayong Jamie and Mackie's Berries Agricultural Services. 20 minutes naman po from Moncelo Crest. They conduct seminars on berry plantations. They also accept farm tours with practical farming. Yan. So, meron tayong mga community farms as well. So, DMCI Homes is working with various community farms in Tuba for arranged and serviced eco-agritourism activities. So, magkakaroon tayo ng package tours will be offered to future hotel guests sa Moncelo Crest. So, our value proposition statement, invest, experience, and enjoy Old Baguio, charm in the first and only eco-agritourism mountain resort hotel at the heart of the emerging Benguet district. So, why choose Moncelo Crest? So, the things you love about the Old Baguio: less disturbed natural setting, less traffic, less pollution, less noise, uncrowded streets. So ito yung magiging feel natin sa ating new project in Benguet sa Moncelo Crest, yung Old Baguio setting. Kasi sa Baguio City nowadays, syempre marami nang na-develop doon. Dumadami rin yung population doon, nagiging traffic, and lalo na kapag peak season, lalo na kapag holidays, yan. Para na kayo nasa city. So this time, sa kay Moncelo Crest, sa Tuba, Benguet, ito yung Old Baguio setting na gustong ipa-feel sa inyo ng ating project. Yan. So we have the cool climate. So according dito sa ating graph, so mas malamig daw po sa Tuba, Benguet compared sa Baguio City. Yan. And of course, magnificent views. This project, wala po siyang obstruction ng view. Kasi technically nasa bundok na yung location niya, yung property location niya. So everything is mountains, greeneries, mountains. Yan, you have the view of the La Union view, mountain views of Baguio and Tuba, Benguet, and open field. Yun yung views natin. So, in-upload ko rin po yung actual site natin for your reference. Pwede nyo i-check yung previous video ko about the actual site of the project. So, according dito, we have the low density municipality. So, it says less disturbed natural setting and less traffic. So, ang population natin sa Tuba is around 48,312 as of 2020. So, as you can see, Baguio talaga yung maraming population. So, next is the La Trinidad. Next is Itogon, then Tuba, then last is the Sablan. Yan. So, we offer mountain resort amenities and feed tours. Following the natural terrain and maximizing the spectacular views, the development is designed to link modern Filipino structures with manicured landscapes. Yan. Following the natural terrain and maximizing the spectacular views, the development is designed to link modern Filipino structures with manicured landscapes. Yan. So, ito yung walkway natin along the property. Meron tayong mga water park feature dito. Yan. Accessibility connected to Marcos Highway. Moncelo Crest can be easily reached. It's just a few minutes away from Baguio City, and other tourist attractions in Benguet are also accessible without going through Baguio's heavy traffic and coding schemes. And also, by the way, this project, the project theme of Moncelo Crest is Modern Filipino. So, merong international designer na siya yung gagawa ng ating Modern Filipino theme. So, ito yung architectural theme niya. So, local arts were infused to celebrate the creativity of the Cordillerans. So, emerging Benguet District, Baguio City to expand development to surrounding municipalities like Tuba. Commercial establishments are expected to be put up outside Baguio City, and Tuba prepares to attract more tourists in the next coming years. So, just an introduction for our leisure residences. So, income generation siya for our rental pool program. Safe storage of wealth, low risk, tangible, long-term investment. Mortgage. Enjoy benefits of condotel ownership even while on mortgage. Lock-in price, income generation, room night stay. Resell. High potential of higher price after some years. Pwede siyang ibenta kasi title po ito. It's a condotel, but it has title. So it's a perpetual ownership. Leisure Plus, investment comes with free room nights that can be enjoyed, gifted to others, or even sell for another source of income. These complimentary room nights can also be used in other DMC Homes leisure residences. So, we have several leisure residences na po na project. Pero the first one is the Solmera Coast. Originally, Solmera Coast, but yung Alta Vista Boracay namin can be used din as well para dun sa Leisure Plus. Pwede nyo siyang gamitin doon. Or yung ibang project namin na located sa Davao, located sa Baguio, kasi we also have 2 projects in Baguio. Then, sa mga future projects under leisure residences. Kasi magkakaroon din po tayo sa Los Baños, Laguna. Yan. DMC Homes Legacy, sa mga hindi po nakakalam, 25 years na po tayo in building communities. So, we are the country's first quadruple A real estate firm, known for its quality and timely delivery, award-winning reputable company. So, let's proceed na po sa ating project details. Yan. So, we have 3 buildings now. As you can see, ito po yung actual site natin. Yan. So, we have 2 high-rise building and 1 mid-rise building. So, we have 18-story, 3-story, and 20 stories. And the total lot size for our project is 4 hectares. But sa ngayon, yung isang building pa lang po yung na-launch, which is the Blanca building. So this is our site development plan. So this will be our entrance gate. Meron tayong drop-off area. And we have our access road pala dito. Papunta sa Marcos Highway na yan, direct. Yan. And this is the first building, the Blanca building. So ito pa lang yung first na nilaunch natin. So it's a 18-story building. Meron siyang sky promenade, viewing deck, meron siyang restaurant. We have our restaurant in the property. We have boardwalk deck, play area, another boardwalk deck. So marami tayong open spaces na pwedeng lakaran. We have jacuzzi. And for Silva building, we have viewing deck. Meron tayong water garden sa may Ciela building. And we also have the sky promenade sa Ciela building. And another jacuzzi. Yan. So for our amenities, we have the restaurant building. Ano ba yung meron sa restaurant building? We have the all-day dining restaurant. We have the game room or KTV rooms, wellness spa, fitness gym, daycare center, clinic. For the outdoor amenities naman, we have the play area, elevated boardwalks, outdoor jacuzzi, and fire pits. So first, sa DMCI Homes yung magkaroon ng isang wellness spa, daycare center. Yan. Saka yung outdoor jacuzzi natin. One of a kind. Sa Blanca building naman, magkakaroon tayo ng convention center doon para mas ma-attract tayo ng guest, no? Lumakas yung ating rental pool program. We have the convention center na pwede silang mag-caters ng private event ng LGU or private companies. Yan. We have the deck garden, lounge bar, business center, specialty restaurant. And for our future development, magkakaroon tayo ng multi-purpose court saka cafe. So napakadami nating amenities dito. Hindi nyo na kailangan lumabas actually. So yun yung goal, no? We in one place, andun na lahat. So this is the perspective of the project. Yan. So we have the first building. Ito yung first building natin. 18-story and this 3-story andito sa may gitna. And the 20-story building here. So this is the Blanca facade. So as you can see, ibang-iba sa mga DMCI Homes, current DMCI Homes project na tapos na. So yung mga balconies niya, meron na siyang built-in plants. No? Meron tayong viewing deck din sa baba. Na another open space. Yan. So closer look sa ating Blanca facade. Ito naman po yung ating roof deck sa Blanca building. So back and front of the building, there's no obstruction of view. Kapag nasa roof deck kayo, makikita nyo lahat. Napakaganda. Nung nandun ako, sobrang lamig ng hangin. Sobrang lakas ng hangin at sobrang lamig ng simoy. So what if, imagine if there's a Lumivent design dito sa Moncello Crest, di ba? Mas lalong malamig. So ito yung Blanca Deck Garden. Ito naman yung outdoor jacuzzi natin. We have our fire pit, play area, and ito yung covered multi-purpose court natin. So ang ganda ng design niya, well, very very Filipino feel. We have the water garden. And meron tayong mga elevated boardwalks. So pang IG to. Instagram ready. Yeah, we have the sky patio. Of course. We have the restaurant building. We also have our restaurant deck. And so the architectural theme, modern Filipino. And ito nga pala yung sinasabi ko sa inyo na international designer, si Ayedas. So it's an international architecture firm that provides services in architecture, interior design, urban design, master planning, and graphic design. So meron na siyang 11 offices sa Singapore, Hong Kong, Macau, Shenzhen, Beijing, Chengdu, Shanghai, New Delhi, Abu Dhabi, Dubai, saka sa Seattle. So it's a big firm, no? Big architecture firm. Yan. So ito yung mga nagawa niya na project. So meron tayo sa Dubai, meron din sa Hilton sa Korea, Hilton Hotel. Meron ding Grand Hyatt Hotel sa Sri Lanka. Meron din sa Oman. Meron din sa Cambodia, Hilton Hotel. Jumeirah Hotel sa Malaysia. And syempre, Marcelo Crest sa Tuba Benguet. So ito yung magiging Blanca lobby natin. So napakaganda. Oh. Very classic yung design niya. And another photo for our Blanca lobby. Meron tayong specialty restaurant. So ito yung itsura ng ating restaurant. Wow, napakaganda. Another photo for our specialty restaurant. And ito yung Blanca Open Sky Lounge. Grabe ang hangin dito kapag pag nagawa to, sobrang lamig dito. I can imagine. Blanca Open Sky Lounge. Another photo. Yan. So, let's discuss naman yung condo hotel. Para magkaroon kayo ng idea. Na-discuss ko na rin to sa aking previous video for Solomera Coast naman. So, it's the same concept with Solomera Coast, but a different project. So again, it's income generating, convenient, hassle-free, and future-proof. So it's fully furnished na, no, kapag na-turn over na sa ating buyers. So the ownership of the units will remain with the buyer. So yun yung advantage doon, yun yung maganda ron. It is managed by the hotel operator. So magkakaroon tayo ng hotel operator. But for now, hindi pa natin alam kung sino yung magiging hotel operator natin. So technically, the ASOC dues shall be care of the hotel operator. So wala tayong association dues na babayaran dito. Okay? So the lease term for this project, so the initial period of 10 years. So kailangan nyo ni-enroll yung unit nyo sa hotel operator, hotel management for 10 years. Then it is automatically renewed for another 10 years unless it was rescinded by the unit owner. So, independent short-term lease is prohibited. So, yung mga Airbnb natin, hindi po pwede. Kasi magkakaroon tayo ng competition sa condo hotel. Okay? So, the individual rental pool program. So, first, the DMCI PDI will sell and turn over the unit to the unit owners. Then, after that, magkakaroon ng management contract. Then it will list sa PDI hotels natin. So the gross revenue for the unit of owners is 30%. Okay? So yun yung gross revenue natin. So ito naman yung room revenue distribution, no? So again, 30% for the unit owners, 5% for the condominium corporation for ASOC dues and expenses, and 65% for the hotel operator for the regular maintenance and upkeep of the project. So this is our individual rental pool program. So we have the monthly gross room revenue. We have the 30% share for the unit owners and less 5% for withholding tax. So base ito sa 35% occupancy rate, which is hindi siya peak season, mahinang season siya. So I discussed to you the individual rental pool program. So this is a projection only. So 30% of gross revenue, total gross floor area of all condotel units. So based on 35%, if the unit is one bedroom unit, so meron tayong at least minimum 16,344 owner's income. Based ito sa 35% occupancy rate based sa studio unit. Kapag malakas naman yung season natin, let's say 75% occupancy rate tayo, nasa 46,933 naman for our studio unit. So for our one bedroom naman, which is the 68 square meter one bedroom, syempre mas malaki yung kita no, kapag mas malaki yung unit. Based sa 35% occupancy rate, minimum is 31,754. Kapag magandang season tayo, which is 75% occupancy rate, yung one bedroom natin is around 91,185 yung owner's income natin. So for our two bedroom naman, 91.5 square meter, based sa mahinang season, which is a 35% occupancy rate, the owner's income is 42,727. And sa peak season naman, malakas na booking, 75% occupancy rate, the owner's income is 122,697. So, this is a discussion lang po only, no? For reference lang po, para magkaroon kayo na idea, magkano ba kikitain dyan per month, magkano ba yung income dyan. Yan. So, at least meron tayong table dito na pwede nyo makita. So, the monthly income is net of withholding tax, right? So, Leisure Plus, it's a complimentary room nights. So, exclusive program po for DMCI Homes Leisure Residences buyers under our IRP program. So, entitled to annual complimentary room nights in any leisure residences property upon turnover of the unit. So, ibig sabihin, pag na-turnover na yung ating unit, sa isang taon po, meron kayong 30 days to 45 days room nights na pwede nyo gamitin. Hindi lang sa Moncello Crest, pwede nyo rin siyang gamitin to other DMCI Homes Leisure Residences. Yan. So, these are future DMCI Homes Leisure Residences we're going to have in San Juan, Batangas, Solmera Coast. We have, of course, the Moncello Crest and the Laguna property, which is in Calamba, Laguna. So, yan. Complimentary room nights, points may vary per project. So, for our launch inventory, first building is the Blanca building. The two other buildings, hindi pa siya nalalaunch. So, all floors na-launch na po sa ating Blanca building. So, we have studio unit, we have the one-bedroom unit, and two-bedroom units. Yan. So, ito naman po yung floor plan natin, just to give you an idea. So, all of the yellow is studio unit, 35 square meter. And we have the orange, which is studio type B, 35 square meters din yan. We have the studio type C as well, yung brown. Studio type D, the 35 square meter. Studio E, which is yung nasa kulay color green, 41.50 square meter naman siya. And we have the Studio F with the gray shaded, 49 square meter naman siya. We also have the one bedroom, which is 68 square meter, and the two bedroom, which is the end units. Lahat po ito are 91.50 square meters. Yeah. So for our studio unit layout, so this is the studio type A. These are all located inner units. So 35 square meter total size. So this is the actual unit layout. So it's like an hotel layout. Pagpasok nyo, you have your mini bar on the left. You have your toilet and bath, living area, and bed area. And you have your sliding door going out to the balcony. Sa ating Studio F and unit naman, a total of 49 square meter. So same orientation with the Studio Type A, but this time, we have two balconies kasi it's located in the corner unit as well. So we have studio units that are located in the inner, and we have studio units that are located at the end units. Yan. So pagpasok nyo, same. You have your mini bar on the left side. On the right side, you have toilet and bath. You have living area, bed area, balcony, and you have your corner balcony naman. So definitely napakaganda ng ano dito, lighting and ventilation. So next, we have our 1-bedroom A inner unit. So it's a total of 68 square meters. So this is the entrance door. Once you go in, you have your minibar on the right side. Then you have your dining, living area. Yan, meron siyang access sa balcony. Then this will be our 1-bedroom. Yung toilet and bath nasa loob ng 1-bedroom. Yan, nasa bedroom siya. And you have also an access to the balcony. So a total of 68 square meter. You have your spacious balcony. So, napakaganda ng layout na to. And lastly, we have our 2-bedroom end unit. So a total of 91.50 square meters. So pagpasok ninyo, this will be your entrance. Sa right side, you have your common CR. Then sa left side, you have your bedroom number 2. Sliding door siya. Then we have our minibar on the right and living area on the left, which has an access sa balcony number 2. And this will be your bedroom number 1 na meron din access sa balcony number 1. Yan, napakaganda ng ganitong layout. And you have your own toilet and bath sa 2-bedroom natin. So for our turnover finishes and unit deliverables, so standard turnover finishes tayo. We have vinyl planks with baseboard, and unglazed homogeneous tiles, painted plain cement finish, and wooden panel door on steel jamb. And kompleto po tayo when it comes to finishes. Alright? And sa ibang turnover finishes, for the windows, yan, we have aluminum framed upper glass panel. Sa 2-bedroom naman, sliding glass panel tayo with insect screen. Yan, aluminum frame hopper glass panel, aluminum frame fixed window sa living area. So, kompleto na po yung ating finishes. So, as you can see here. And sa common areas, meron tayong mga finishes sa ating stairs, hallway, corridor, roof deck, driveway, parking. Ito po ang ating finishes sa ating common areas. And for the Condotel deliverables, yan. So for the furnitures, kompleto na rin po, no? We have the bed frame with mattress, side table, vanity table with mirror, vanity chair, open wardrobe, sofa bed, armchair, center table, dining table and chairs, table, wall lamps, balcony, outdoor furniture. Kung ano po yung nakikita nyo, basically sa isang hotel, kasama po siya sa ating deliverables. So this is a sample of our studio unit. Yan. It's a Filipino design, interior design. Yan. Malaki yung studio unit natin. So we have our toilet and bath sample look. And this is the studio balcony. Pati yung gamit sa balcony kasama rin po yan. And for our 2-bedroom balcony, this is the sample look. So as you can see guys, very nice. May furnitures, may tables and chairs. Merong garden sa balcony ninyo. Merong plants and a view of the mountains. And we have our spacious, larger window and doors, balcony doors. So for the pricing po natin, these are the pricing per units, per types. For the studio, it's around 7.7 to 8.5 million. Depends on the sizing. Kapag 35 square meter, nasa 7.7. Kapag nasa 37 square meter naman po, nasa 7.8. Kapag 41 square meter, nasa 8.8. Kapag 49 square meter, nasa 9.1. Kapag 1-bedroom naman po, 68 square meter, nasa 12.7. And for a 2-bedroom, 91.5 square meter, nasa 17.2. Yan. So, sa payment terms man po, we have a minimum down payment. It's a promo term. Minimum down payment is 15% spread in 52 months. So the RFO date of Blanca is November 2028. So for our payment term, sample computation lang po for our studio, 1 bedroom and 2 bedroom. For our studio unit, total contract price is around 7.7 to 7.8. We have the reservation fee of 20,000 pesos. So the 15% down payment for a studio unit is around 1,142,000. So ang magiging monthly down payment nyo is nasa 21,557. Yan, for our studio. For our 1 bedroom naman is around 35,700. And for our 2 bedroom, nasa 48,000 to 50,000 naman yung ating down payment. Yan, monthly amortization natin yan. And then after that, 85% balance is can be done in-house financing, bank financing, or cash. So Moncello Crest bears the DMCI Homes Quality Seal, which represent our commitment to deliver homes that built to last. Your new home is subject to our proprietary quality management system and comes with a 2-year limited warranty. So that's it for today, guys. Sana po nagustuhan niyo yung project presentation natin kay Moncello Crest. So if you have any questions, concerns, please free to contact me. And of course, don't forget to follow my Facebook page, DMCI Homes Properties by Ralph San Jose. My Instagram page, DMCI_Ralph G San Jose. My mobile number. And huwag niyo pong kalimutan na mag-subscribe sa akin channel para updated po kayo palagi sa DMCI Homes Developments. So once again, this is DMCI Homes Properties by Ralph San Jose. Thank you po and keep safe.